two long screws. Well, hello there. Well, hello and welcome to this mess. I'm starting to run out of gas. So Monday, I just focused a lot on the console, but I got all the console, I got all that built. Got this put in and the carbon fiber piece because the little coin thing isn't going to work any longer. I had to modify that because the CL shifter actually sits where the coin change tray was. And the shifter is now in that area, so there's shifter here, and so it can't be there anymore. I've still got to touch up the console there, where the paint's peeling off of it. Gonna get the seats put back in it hopefully tonight. I gotta put the radio back in it. We're going vintage Acura Legend radio, and it weighs about 50 pounds. It's the OG. Should be awesome.
Cool.
Yeah. But yeah, so the interior's coming together. The motor's all, just a couple little things I have to do. I have to attach the fuel lines. They're just kind of hanging. And I got to put a fan on it because there's no fans on it. Hopefully I don't have to worry about fans. I've got to put a battery in it and just get the interior put back together and do some test drives with it. Well, I got the steering column built. I'm running into a few problems with the modern stuff opposed to the old stuff, trying to work all that out. And the steering column cover doesn't want to go on either. But I think with a little trimming, it'll bolt in there, I think. So hopefully this afternoon I'll have all this taken care of. I've got to put the fuel pump in it, pop the trunk, and then I can put all the seats back in it. So and now the iconic wing goes away.
Oh, you're not gonna keep it on there?
No, wing goes.
Oh.
Yep. It's going away. And maybe at one time I liked it. My tastes have changed. I still like the car. Yeah. Sad day in Legend world. Oh, well, hello there. Instead of doing adult things and working on our project car, we're playing motorcycles.
Sweet.
I'm gonna ride around Talladega GP on my race 09 R6, and we're gonna spend the weekend here and then go home and get back at it. Hopefully refreshed, renewed.
I'll be in your video.
Yeah.
I'll have to go back.
You remember my old Acura Legend I had?
The one that you work on forever?
Yeah.
He's still working
Dude,
on it.
I'm still working on it.
Well, it's going to be like a Dallas series.
Seriously.
Never ending one.
Never ending. Needs to be cleaned up, but other than some pretty old interior, it's just kind of falling apart a little bit. Black everything out, put the rims back on it. I still got to attach the fuel line. put the battery in it. I gotta black out all the inner fender wells. I gotta put the lower dash panel in it. I still don't know what I'm doing about the gauge cluster.
So tonight, we've taken like 5 days off from the car, which was dumb. We're gonna finish up the interior. I've got one more seat to put in it and just do a couple road tests, make sure we can drive it where it needs to be driven. We don't have any problems. We got the interior buttoned up on the car last night. I washed it for the first time in, I don't know how long, probably 5 years. Got to put a battery in it and then just do a couple test runs to make sure everything's running and driving good. I'll probably drive it to the gas station tomorrow. You know, as long as the test drive does good, we'll just be cleaning it up and ready for the show tomorrow. No, I don't know. I mean, I don't really know what to say about the mysterious disappearance of the fourth wheel. It just disappeared. I moved and the car was in 4 different locations, and we've emailed Enkei to try and see if we could get a replacement, but they're 15-year-old wheels, and so maybe we'll just find another set of wheels that are pretty close, like a 5-lug, and just put those on it. Or if we can find one more rim, that would be awesome. But so far we've come up with 0, and it's just gonna have to roll with 3. So.